It's recording now. Hold on. There.
So when the stomach is distended, it has a well-defined greater curvature, a lesser curvature, and here you don't see it, but you have a greater omentum. This is stomach is so distended. It's part of your greater omentum. It's like a big sleeve covering the entire abdominal organs. Okay? And the lesser omentum extends from the lesser curvature to the liver. This is your liver. Right? Left lobe, right lobe, caudate. And on the undersurface of the inferior part of the liver is your gallbladder. Right? This will be somewhere. It will be your bile duct, which opens into the duodenum. The stomach opens into the duodenum. In the curvature of the duodenum is your pancreas, this gland, this distinct tissue, separate tissue. This is your duodenum, and this is your pancreas.
If you turn it around, I think it's really clear.
Okay, here. See this? That's your pancreas. It goes all the way to your spleen, not part of the digestive system or part of the immune system, but because of the relation to the pancreas, it is included in the models too. This is your rest of the small intestine, and this is called as the mesentery of the small intestine, which suspends the small intestine from the posterior abdominal wall. The small intestine, and more specifically the ileum, opens into the cecum. The cecum, and I'm thinking this is your appendix. You can have different positions. That's the cecum, that's your colon, emptying into the rectum. Okay? That's your digestive system. Urinary system includes just 3 major structures. That's the fascia covering the kidneys. This is your kidney. This is the left. This is the right. This is your inferior vena cava. This is your abdominal aorta. And here the branch is cut, but on the other side I think it's more obvious. No? Okay. The branches. Okay, so this blood vessel going to the kidney is your renal artery. This vessel coming out of the kidney is your renal vein opening into the vena cava. The artery comes right off of the abdominal aorta. This part of the kidney, is it like this? Okay. This part of the kidney where the blood vessels come out and go in is called as the hilum, renal hilum. The other structure that comes out of the renal hilum is the ureter. Okay? This entire structure is your ureter. Ureters, the connection is lost here, but it opens into the urinary bladder, and that's the urethra. So that's your digestive, respiratory, and urinary system.
Okay. So what is the transverse colon and ascending, descending?
You can just remember it as colon.
Okay, stop.